My name is Marissa Stetson, and my major is a B.Tech in equine science, concentrating in equine physical therapy and rehabilitation, as well as the Western riding. I was very interested in doing something along the lines of rehabilitation, and when I looked up colleges with programs like that, SUNY Morrisville was the first option, and I immediately was like, yes, this is where I want to go. I absolutely want to learn everything that this school has to offer.
My name's Leanne Chesbrough, and I am the ISA and barn manager here at the Equine Rehabilitation Center. I came back to SUNY Morrisville for the essential part of what this program is and what they do. When I was here, we were 92 to 95% hands-on, and that is what the horse industry is about, is hands-on work. The rehabilitation and conditioning programs is an essential part, I believe, in post-surgery, post-injury, getting back to work and longevity of their life. We are the only facility in the Northeast that has a pool, so introducing that to the students as well as offering that to clients, they're really intrigued by that, and also every other modality that we have, they can monitor and they're allowed to physically see the progress that is made. We've had clients from down south, out east, New Hampshire, Vermont, so all over we've had clients come on in. Anybody who comes here for the equine program wants to work with horses, and as long as they get to work with a horse every day, they're happy.
Not only does SUNY Morrisville offer the summer internships at our own facilities, but with the bachelor's program, you go on to a 15-week internship, and they specifically help you find and place you into an internship that will benefit you. I have been exposed to all sorts of modalities at SUNY Morrisville, and I am prepped to go into almost any clinic with the knowledge that I have.